Hello, everyone. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to permanently delete a Facebook page on your PC. If you've been thinking about removing your Facebook page for good, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first step in deleting your Facebook page permanently is to log into your Facebook account using your PC. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you need to switch to your Facebook page that you want to delete. Click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on See All Profiles and select your desired page. Once you've switched to your page, click on your page name on the left-hand side. Then, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Privacy. Then, click on Facebook Page Information. On the right-hand side, scroll down and click on the Deactivation and Deletion option. Facebook will ask you to select the option Deactivate Page or Delete Page. Select Delete Page and click Continue. Here, Facebook will recommend you download your page information. Click Continue and enter your Facebook password to confirm. Take a moment to read all the provided information and finally, delete your page by clicking on Continue. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to permanently delete a Facebook page on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.